How to download Marvel Rivals on phone. So if you want to download Marvel Rivals on your phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After opening, go with search, and here you need to search for Marvel Rivals. Once you search for it, you'll find Marvel Rivals application and you'll be able to download it. You can just simply click on the Marvel Rivals and you may have an install option. You can just simply tap on install. But in many cases, you won't find it. So if you don't find it, you can just simply go back and then open up your Google. And if you search for Marvel Rivals, as you can see that it says that it's a video game. So it's a free-to-play game, but it's only available on, as you can see, that here you will have the options. Go with the drop-down. And it's only available on Xbox Series or Microsoft Windows, GeForce, PlayStation 4 and 5. So it's not available on Play Store. So unfortunately, you won't be able to download your Marvel Rivals on your phone, but you will be able to download it on these devices. That's how you can download your Marvel Rivals, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.